So hey guys, I'm bringing you another set of all-season floor mats for the 2018 to 2021 Honda Accord. These are from Lasfit. I'm sure you guys have heard of the company. Has a lot of amazing bulbs. They also have an amazing floor mat. I checked these things out. Really nice. I like it because they have a centerpiece for the back here that covers the hump. And that, you know, the carpet in these cars is cheap, so that really helps protect that. So let me go ahead and open them up. I'll show you. So guys, these are awesome mat. They use a 3D scanning tool so that they're perfect fit. They're thermoplastic. Here's the centerpiece here that goes over the hump. I really like these, how they feel. These have a thicker edge on them too than all the ones I've been doing. Feel really sturdy. They even come up really high, even on the back here, which is really nice. And they use the stock retaining clips, so that's always a plus. A really great quality mat. And they have a nice texture on them too. So when they're wet and stuff, your feet won't be sliding around on them. Really nice, aggressive looking mat. If you guys live in any areas where it snows, things like that, a lot of mud, definitely recommend something like this. With the channels that you have here, easy to clean. The big sides there will help contain all the spills that you have. Every time I go to the snow, I'm glad I have a nice set of all-season floor mats. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to use my stock ones to show you the difference. Okay, so here's the OEM ones. As you guys know, these are the high wall, supposedly. Let me show you the difference in coverage. Okay, check that out. You can see here, fits perfectly, comes up the side, uses the clips. Comes up the back here. Just a nice looking mat. You can see it goes up, covers the whole dead pedal underneath all the pedals, where the OEM one is lacking, because I get a ton of stuff under the OEM ones a lot. And it gets right under the mat. So this will definitely contain it. A really nice looking mat, guys. And the link is in the description. Definitely check them out. You can get 10% off right now using a special code I'll show you here on the screen. And the passenger side one, really nice. Now these are just fresh out of the box. This will all flatten down. You can leave it in the sun if you want, or just leave it in your car. It'll all mold to the shape. But look at that. It's a lot better coverage than stock for sure. Like I said, highly recommend them. If you guys, anywhere that you have a lot of messes, or like me, you have kids and you want to keep your car as clean as possible, these will definitely help with that. Let me show you the back here. Okay, here's what I'm talking about. Goes up the sides here. It's really nice. Covers the sides so when they get in and out, kick it, it'll protect the carpet. Goes way up underneath with that big edge on it. And here's that nice centerpiece I told you about. Just tucks in underneath there. It's really nice. It hugs to the center hump. You can put it underneath the console if you want. And just tuck it in there. That's what I like, because you need to protect that, because it's so hard to clean that carpet. It's so thin. When little leaves get stuck to it, it's hard to even vacuum. And here's the rear passenger side. Really nice. Like I said, they're on sale right now. I believe they're $129 or $139 on sale, and then you use that code and you'll get an extra 10% off. And they have a lifetime warranty on these two, guys, so you don't have to worry about them. That's what's nice when the company stands behind their product. You buy them, it's the last set you're going to buy. So I highly recommend these. Like I said, definitely is going to help protect your car. Anything that we can do to help protect it, it's always a plus, as you guys know. Kind of maintain your investment. So I definitely want to share that with you guys. Again, check the description, push that link, and then you definitely use that code, save your guys some money. Okay? So hope you found that useful. Reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be glad to answer them. Hope everyone's doing good out there. And I'll have another video coming up shortly. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. I appreciate that. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks, everybody.